Taylor, get up.
You can't see me.
Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Buddy. Buddy. You douchebag. You just.
Oh wait, you can hide in this grass. Yeah!
That would laugh so hard if you tripped and then just like hit your face in a big pile of dog crap.
I failed.
I'm gonna get the frisbee. Are you ready? Go get it!
You recording?
Yes, I am.
Do cartwheels.
My neck's all itchy from the grass.
Maybe it was poison ivy.
It wasn't poison ivy, it was grass, retard.
If your neck, if it itches, that's not good. Okay, someone's gonna be sitting right there.
No.
Okay.
It would.
Go stand out there. Okay. In there?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Okay. Me, this is Jessica. I'm Taylor. That's Taylor. Alright. Me and her, we are going to do cartwheels. I suck at cartwheels. Me too. So if we can't do one, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go first. No, you go first. Alright, keep your dog away from me. Don't you love me? Buddy! Here! Buddy! Dude! I guess I wasn't joking about biting your leg off. Okay, my turn! Hey, go! You fell! You fell! That was funny. That hurt. Not really. Okay. What, damn it, you're breaking it. Okay.
I'm done recording. Wait. Okay, turn around. That was from falling.
Oh, really?
Smooth.
What's on it?
Yes. Can you stop it?